So the nPA is a new instrument from Arden that enables users to measure refractive index profile of their fibres. The unit has been designed around ease of use, simple maintenance and speed of measurement, while still giving the expected reliability and accuracy. So at its core, the nPA uses a newly developed measurement technique to vastly increase the speed and ease with which the refractive index profile of a fibre can be measured. So any fibre from 40 to 400 microns is simply stripped, cleaned, cleaved and guided into the nPA using the ferrule pin. The nPA software then automatically focuses the fibre and a full 2D measurement is taken. No tedious time-consuming scans or reconstructions. The whole process from fibre sample to measurement takes only seconds. The 2D data from the nPA allows it to be used for measuring all kinds of standard and specialty fibre, including PM, octagonal and multi-core. This results in all the data you need to verify your designs and manufacturing processes.